Hey guys, my name is Yuichi Gurright, and I teamed up with Salutary Spade to produce this new wonderful channel, Salutary Spade Science, where I teach you guys physics for this first part. So the first thing we're going to talk about is Newton's laws of motion. If there is no net force on an object, then its velocity is constant. The object is either at rest or it moves at a constant speed in a single direction. That is Newton's first law. So all this really means is that if there's no force acting upon, say, a ball in empty space, then the ball will move at the same speed in the same direction. Because all velocity is speed and direction. It is a vector quantity. We're going to get into that a little bit later. The difference between vector quantities, scalar quantities, and, spinor and tensor, but, that's not until later. So on to Newton's second law. Finally, we get to do some math. Newton's second law is the acceleration, represented by A, of a body is parallel and directly proportional to net force, represented by F, acting upon the body, is in the direction of the net force and is inversely proportional to the mass, represented by M, of the body. What does it all mean? Newton's second law can be completely summarized with one simple equation. F equals ma. I'm not going to get too, into that equation right now because I'm going to be doing that in the next video, the part B of episode 1. Because in case you guys didn't know, part B is going to be the the part where we do all our equations and we derive from them. So yeah. Yeah. Now to Newton's third law. So Newton's third law is when a first body exerts a force F1 on a second body, the second body simultaneously exerts a force F2 is equal to negative F1 on the first body. This means that F1 and F2 are equal in magnitude and opposite in direction. In order to fully understand this, we must know about scalars and vectors, and we will be getting into those two things in the second lesson of this series. And that's all for this video. Like and favorite if you enjoyed. Leave a comment in the comment section, that's why it's there. And this has been Salutary Spade Science. This is Yuichi Gurright, and I'm signing off.